I always wear a mask to protect myself from the questions you ask, to hide my real face. I manage to leave no trace. I am like a skinny ghost which does its best not to be lost. We're not in the same universe, and that is the worst. Beware, I'm just a singer. My songs can't change anything. Beware, I'm just a liar. My feelings for you I hide in. I didn't seize the initiative, that's right, I didn't give enough of my